Hi students, good morning. I am coming from Vidhyalakshmi Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Welcome to Vidhyalakshmi YouTube channel. Okay. So, already we completed lesson 6 hands-on experience, part 1 finish. Question number 1, 2, 3 and then 8 is finished. Okay. This is the second part. In this part we completed 5, 6, 7, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 4, 5, 6, 7 we completed in this part. Okay. So, first one, write a program to print Fibonacci series. Okay. Write a program to print Fibonacci series. Already we know what is this series. So, this series executed first thing 0, 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n terms. Okay. How we have, what is the conditions, what is the series? So, this series is called as a Fibonacci series. In this series we calculated 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n. How these are all the values are calculated? How first number and then second number no difference? Okay. Again in this place one difference, second and third no difference. Again next one one different, next one one different, next one one different. So, something going on. Okay. So, in this place, okay, in this place we calculated. So, 0 plus 1, 1, again 0 plus, okay, first number and then second number we calculated, and then third number and then next number, first and second we get third, again second and third we get next number, next like that going on. Okay. First number, second number, again second and third, fourth number, third and fourth, fifth number, 4 and 5, sixth number. So, like that it will be going on. Okay. This type of the calculation is called as the Fibonacci series. Okay. In this series we calculated two different methods. Okay. We calculated, already we know two different types of loops. We decided to calculate for loop or while loop. In our situation we decide, if you are interested to calculate a for loop means, okay, you have to calculate. Otherwise, if you want to calculate with the help of the while loop means you have to calculate. Okay. First we discuss for loop. Okay. First method we calculated with the help of the for loop. Okay. Already we know what is for loop. Okay. Any loops, each and every loops we started to first start value, again end value. Already we know starting point, ending point and the difference between the numbers. So, in this loop already we know. So, in this loop we know. So, first one n. Okay. Already in our question, in our series, write a program to print the Fibonacci series. In a Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1 up to n terms. Okay. So, in this loop we started, the starting value is 1, end value is n. Already we know the value of n. Okay. So, we get the value from the user. Okay. What is the value of n? We accept from the user. So, in the first statement executed the value of n. So, n is equal to, in enter a number to check. Okay. What is the value of n? We want to calculate it. What is the value of n? Okay. So, okay, user enters some more value. Okay. Next thing, in this place already we know the calculation. First number plus second number, it is producing the third number 0, 1. So, 0 plus 1 is 1. So, again second and third calculated. Okay. Second and third calculated, one more thing. So, second number plus third number, it is producing a fourth number. Third and fourth producing a fifth number. So, like that going on. In this purpose only we are using F1, F2, F3. F1 is the first number, F2 is the second number, F3 is the third number. Okay. So, first number plus second number we get third number. Okay. First number, second number. In this statement executed, F1 comma F2 is equal to minus 1 and then 1. F1 comma F2 is equal to minus 1 and 1. Okay. Minus 1 is substituted to F1, 1 is substituted to F2. So, it is one of the assignment statement. F1 assign minus 1, F2 assign 1. Okay. Again F3 is equal to 0. So, these are all the variables we want to use it in a program. Okay, done. Next, for, now we start using a for loop. In this loop helps you to execute a certain number of times. Okay, for loop for I in range, okay, I in range 1 to n terms. I value is 1 to n terms. For example, we want executed 10 times means just 10 is substituted here itself. For I in range 1 to n terms. So, for already we know for loop have a condition n minus 1 concept is there. For example, you enter 10 terms means it is executed 9 terms. Why it will be executed 9 terms? So, in a for loop we have n minus 1 concept. So, n minus 1 concept. So, that purpose only we are using n plus 1. Already we entered 10 means it will be executed 9 terms. So, plus 1 means automatically it will be executed 10 terms. Okay, done. So, this loop start executed first one, again third number is equal to first number plus second number. Third number is equal to first number plus second number. Again you print the message. In a printing statement we have 3 different types, more than 3 different types. So, in this place we are using in a slash tab, backslash t tab, okay, backslash t. This command helps you to display the information in a single line. In between it is producing a some more space. We want continuously print or we want print in a new line. So, you want to print in a new line means using one more method. Okay, we want printed in a sidewise, first number little bit gap, second number little bit gap. Already we know n, okay, tab allocated some more space, 4 character space. Okay, so that many space if you want means just you are using the end is equal to backslash t. So, first time f3 is equal to f1 plus f2. f1 value is minus 1, f2 value is 1. Now, we calculate minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. In our loop, first value is 0, next number is 1. So, in this purpose, we are using the interchange, swapping of the numbers concept. Swapping of the numbers means first number is equal to second number is equal to third number. In this program, first number value is minus 1, second number value is 1. Third number value is first number plus second number. So, first number plus second number means f3 value is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 0 stored in a f3. So, f1 is equal to f2 means f1 value is changed to 1. f2 value is changed to f3. So, at present 0 is stored in a f3, automatically that will be printed. Okay. So, this program executed certain number of times. Now, you press the F5 key, automatically this screen is executed. First, it will be asked, enter the number to check. You enter the n terms, how many times the loop will be executed. So, you enter the value of n. So, in this program we enter 10. The n value is 10. First time it will be start to print. So, f1 plus f2 minus 1 plus 1 producing a 0. Next time interchanging of the concept, first number plus second number plus third number. So, like that it will be going on. So, 0 plus 1 producing a 1, again next 1 plus 1 produce 2, again interchanging this number to this number. So, it is producing a 3, again 2 and 3 producing 5, again 5 and 8 producing. So, like that it will be going on. So, up to 10 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This program executed in a 10 terms. Okay. So, it will be executed in a 10 terms. So, another one of the method. Okay. Another one of the method we start to calculate it. The same for loop in a print places we are using backslash t, again we are using backslash n, again we are using backslash t n. If you want some more spaces, any method you have to use it. So, the same programming, only one slide different, in between we are using the little bit space we want. Okay. Backslash t means it is producing some more spaces, some 4 character space it will be allotted. So, I want to print little bit space. Okay. So, in this situation print as usual program for I in range is equal to 1 to n plus 1, f3 is equal to f1 plus f2, again print the value, f3 is equal to f3 printed, at the same time next value we want printed in a nearby the first number. So that purpose only we are using end is equal to slight gap, open quotation and then close quotation, it is producing a simple gap. Next one, F1 is equal to F2, F2 is equal to F3, as it is it will be started printed. Okay. This is the method. In this method we are calculated to print. Okay. So this program helps you to print the information. In a previous program, this in between the 1 and 2 it will be producing 4 character space. In this program space is reduced. Okay, 0 1, again 1 2 3 5 8, so up to 34, 10 terms it will be started printed, but space is reduced. Okay. So another one of the method, the same program we want printed in a different order. Okay. It will not print in a straight line, it will not printed in a very closely, again we want to print it in a little bit space or some more extra spaces. So I want print one by one, I want print, that is called as a new line. We want print the information 10 different characters, so it is printed one by one in a downwards. So this like we want print means just we are using default line spacing is new line. Okay, automatically print F3. So print F3. So we are using backslash n, it will be printed a new line. Again backslash t is a tabulations. Again within quotes means it will be allotted some more space or 2 character space, 1 character space with the help of the single quote. So in this program we are not using anything end is equal to, but default is a new line. Print F3, first it will be printed, again cursor goes to the next line, automatically each and everything printed in a one by one. First you enter the value for 10, first 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 etc. up to 34. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 3, 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 plus 13 we are already we know the total value, so that is a 34. So automatically this particular loop is started executed. So this is the this method helps you to print the Fibonacci series with the help of the for loop. We want to print a Fibonacci series, 3 different for loop, automatically we know for I in range, automatically it will be started printed. In a printing locations only we printed in a different manners. So another one of the method is called as a while loop. Already for loop we completed. Next method, we are not interested to using a for loop means in this situation you use it in a while loop. Okay. So in a while loop also it will be started calculated. It is one of the loop. In this loop we are using starting value and then end value. So as usual accept the value from the user. N is equal to int input of, or n is equal to enter the value of number. What is the value of n value? So automatically you enter value of n. Next we start to calculate it. As usual we know first number and then second number. First number is -1, second number is 1. The same procedure, slight modification in this loop area only. For loop means all the counter initialization also using in a for loop, incremental or decremental using in a same for loop. So while loop is first to initialize the counter value I is equal to 1. First we declared I is equal to 1. Next we start the loop while I less than or equal to n. So in this loop, in this place we are not using a n-1 concept. So while loop executed up to the numbers. For example, you enter 10. So this loop executed up to 10 terms. So okay. So F3 is equal to first number plus second number, already we know. Again print the message F3. What is the use of backslash t? Already we know backslash t helps you to print the text, print the information one by one. Okay. In a sidewise it will be producing 4 different character space, automatically it will be start to print. F1 is equal to F2, F2 is equal to F3. This is called as a swapping of the concept, swapping of the numbers. So interchanging of the numbers. So automatically first number to transfer to second number value is transferred to first number, first second number value, again third number value is transferred to second number. So again we enter the incremental part to the counter. So loop first time 1 value, second time incremental means 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n terms. We are entering 5 terms means this loop is executed 5 terms. Again we are entering 100 times means it will be start to execute 100 times. You press the F5 key, automatically start to execute the program. You press F5 key, this program start to execute it. Enter the value of n. You enter the value of n. You enter the value of n is 10. This particular loop executed 10 terms. We are using \t, so it's producing the gap. It's producing 4 character space in between the letters. So first 0, 1, 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, again 8 plus 5, 13, 8 plus 13, 21, again 21 plus 13, 34. So this is the answer. Okay. Already we know we are using the for loop, it start to execute it. You are interested to calculate it while loop, just you are use it in a while loop. Okay. Any loop we want to calculate, automatically the loop start to execute it. Okay. So we want to calculate Fibonacci series, we are using for loop or while loop in our interest. Okay. So another one of the program in a question number 5, write a program to print sum of n numbers. We want to print sum of n numbers, n natural numbers. We want to print up to n numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 plus 1, 2, again 0 plus 1, 2, 0, 1 plus 2, 3, okay, 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 plus like that, okay, 0 plus 1 plus, sorry, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. If you decided to count the value up to 15 means, sorry, up to 5 means it's producing the result is 15. Okay. In this sum also we are using for loop. Okay. We are interested to calculate the for loop means just we are using in a for loop. So as usual we know n value up to n terms. We don't know the end value. Okay. User only enter the value of n. N is equal to int input of enter the value of n. You enter the value of n. How many times you want? Again how many numbers you want to add. Okay. So that purpose, that choice allotted to the user. So user enter any numbers. This program helps to executed or calculated that many times. Okay. First the result we want store. So in this purpose only we are using a s, sum of the numbers. So that purpose only we are using s. So s is the variable. In that variable used to counting of the numbers, sum of n natural numbers, sum of n natural numbers, that purpose only we are using s. Okay. Again as usual method, for I in range is equal to start value is 1 and then n value is n plus 1. You know why we are using the n plus 1? N plus 1 means for loop using n minus 1 concept. You avoid that situation. In that purpose only we are using n plus 1. Okay. First time it will be start to add s plus equal to I. So s plus equal to I, already I value is 1, s value is 0. First time it will be start to executed. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 stored in a s. Okay. 1 stored in a s. Again loop start to executed. Okay. So again how many times loop will be executed? The user enter 5 terms, 10 terms, 15 terms, 100 terms. The user enter that many times the loop start to executed. So each and every time already s value is replaced, s value plus I value, s value plus I value, s value plus I value. So continuously it will be added. So at the end of the loop, okay, it will be start to print. Okay. In this print statement, coming nearby the s means each and every time the value, the result is printed. First time 1 plus 2 is 3, it will be printed. Second time 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Again like that it will be printed on continuously. We don't want to print each and every statement result, just we are using the only final answer only we want. So that purpose only we are using sum of the number is. Okay. The sum of the numbers are equal to s value. What's the value of s? The loop executed 5 times means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. You want to execute the program in a 15 terms, I mean 10 terms means the answer is 55 is printed on the screen. Okay. We enter the value up to 5 terms means it is printed, the value is 15. We want to execute the value up to 10 terms means, so it will be printed in a 55. The final result is 55. Okay. First we start to calculate, enter the value of n. You enter the value of n is 10. So, the sum of the numbers are is equal to 55. 1 plus 10, we calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So, it is producing the result is 55. Okay. So, you enter 5 terms. Okay. 5 term means this loop executed 5 terms. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So, it is producing a 15. Now, in this example, we executed the value in a 10 terms. Okay. 10 terms means it's printed, the result is 55. Okay. Another one thing, we want to calculate this particular loop in a for loop. Next we want, so for loop means as which already we know. In the previous example also we are using in a for loop. Okay. So, next term we start to calculate in a another one of the method or another one of the type or another one of the method we want to execute. So, we executed using a while loop also, it start to print. You using a for loop also, it's printed the result. Okay. So, now we want to calculate the numbers, sum of the n natural numbers. Sum of n natural number means it will be start to calculated and then printed in a proper order. Okay. Next question number 6. Question number 4, Fibonacci series. Question number 5, print the sum of n natural number. Question number 6, write a program to check the given number is palindrome or not. What is palindrome? Already you know the concept of palindrome. You want to read left to right or right to left. Both the numbers is equal to same. For example, 1 to 1 is a number. It's a left to right we want to read 121. Now you reverse the number. So, you reverse it. In this time also it is producing 121. So, these are all the numbers are called as a palindrome. You want to read left to right or right to left. Both the numbers are same. A is equal to 1 to 1. B is the reverse of that number. So, the reverse of the number also 1 to 1. So, this particular number is called as a palindrome. Some situation we are using 2, 3, 5. You reverse the number 532. So, 53 is not equal, 532 is not equal to 235. Okay. So, first number and then second number, reverse the number, original number and then reverse number, both the numbers are same means that particular number is called as a palindrome. Otherwise, the number is not a palindrome. Okay. You enter any one example. Any example we want to use. At the same time, this sum also using a looping structure. Okay. Loop only execute first number, I mean you enter a number, any one of the loop we are using for loop or while loop, this loop executed to reverse the number. How you have to reverse it? Okay. So, how you have to reverse it? How the reverse, how again you have to check reversed number and then original number is equal or not. So, these are all the concept using in this program. Okay. Now, you check, write a program to check the given number is palindrome or not. First you enter the number. First you enter a integer number. So, that purpose only we are using a int of. Okay. N is equal to int of, enter a number, any number. Okay. Any number you have to enter, that particular number stored in a temporary variable. Any number, for example, you enter 124. 124 is a number. 124 is assigned to temp. What is the value of, at present, what is the value of temp? Temp also 124 and also 124. Both the numbers are same. So, at present, accept the value from the user, that particular number stored in a temporary variable. One more variable is called as a reverse. Reverse the number. Now, you reverse the number, that result also stored in a new variable. So, that purpose only we are using reverse of. Temp of is equal to assign the original number to temporary name. Again, reverse variable is equal to you reverse the original number, then we want to compare. Okay. You want to reverse the number means first step you divided the number with the help of 10. Okay. Don't use a division symbol, we are using modulus of n modulus of 10. N modulus of 10, a number divided by 10. Modulus functions helps you to store, producing the remainder value. Any remainder value printed, that particular remainder value is stored in a D. What is the use of D? A number, that particular number divided by 10. In a modulus functions helps you to take the remainder value. For example, 124 divided by 10, the remainder value is 4. Okay. The remainder value is 4 stored in a D variable. Okay. Next statement, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus D. Okay. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus D. This statement helps you to add the numbers. First divided value stored in a one place. Second time it will be divided into the next number, that particular number stored in a 10th place. Next you divide a number, that particular result is stored in a 100th place. So automatically the numbers are arranged. Okay, automatically the numbers are arranged. Now you check if the temporary, already we collect all the reverse number. In this place all the numbers are reversed. Finally you divided by mod of any numbers, the mod of number value is 0. The modulus of the remainder value is 0, the loops comes out. Loop stop to executed. Again it comes out. In this place if statement helps you to compare it. Any other comparison we want, just we use it in a if statement. Okay. If this temporary variable, what is the value stored in a temp of? Temp place we stored in a original value. User enter some number, any number user enter, that particular number is stored in a temp of. This temp of statement stored in a original value. Already we know reverse of. What is the use of reverse of? Reverse, already you reverse the number, reversed number is stored in a reverse of. Or EV variable use the reversed of the original number. Temp is the original number. For example, original number is 124. Reversed value is 421. So 124 is equal to 421? No. This condition is false. Automatically print the else part. Any message you entered in a else part, that will be start to printed. In case you entered 121, so you reverse that number. So reverse number also 121. So 121 is equal to 121. Yes, both the numbers are correct. Both the numbers are same. So that particular situation is print the true part. Already we know if statement have two different parts, true part and then else part. If the condition is okay, if the condition is true, true part start to executed. Suppose if the condition is false, at that time, so it will be executed in a else part. Okay. Now we check, already we know the explanation, or you know. So first statement, what is the use of first statement? First statement start to accept the value from the user. Why we want to use a temp variable? Original number store it in a new variable. So that variable name is called as a temp. What is the use of reverse? We want to reverse it a number. Palindrome is original value and the reverse value is equal means it's printed the message. Okay. So that purpose only we are using a reverse of. Again loop started. Okay. Loop is started. In this place you started first mod of n value. Okay. That value producing some more result, that particular result stored in a D variable. Again next position reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus D. So first remainder value store it in a ones place, second remainder value store it in a 10th place, again third one value store it in a 100th place. So like that it will be going on. Okay, good. So next if the n value is 0, mod of n value is 0, loop stop to executed. Okay. So in this situation all the processing is over. Next part is the comparison. So in this place temporary value is equal to reverse of. So equal to, this way this operator is a comparative operator. Okay. Temp is equal to. So equal to means it's a comparative operator. This operator helps you to check equal to. Okay. So temp value equal to reverse of. Both the condition is true. Start to execute in a true part. Otherwise start to execute in a else part. Now we check. First you enter the number. What's the number? We entered 1221, 1221. The number is 1221. Now you reverse it. Reverse again, you reverse it, right to left also, left to right also, 121, 121, again 1221, 1221. Reverse to, left to right, right to left. Both the places, this number producing the same meaning, same value. So this particular number is printed in, this type of the numbers are printed in a palindrome. Suppose we want to print it in a different number. Okay. So second time again I want to execute a program, I want to check another one more number, that number is 3452. Okay. Once again I enter one more number, that number is called as a 3452, 3452. So you reverse it, so you reverse the number 2543, 2543. Okay, this is a number, that number is differ from this number. Okay, original number and reverse number is not equal. So in this program displayed in this number means this program executed in a else part. Okay, so you enter the numbers, reversed number, and then temporary numbers are equal, the printed message is true part is executed. In case both the numbers are differ, so it's printed in a else part. Okay, true part means a palindrome, else part means not a palindrome. Okay, another one of the program to print the pattern sum. Okay, we print in a pattern. Okay, first time you print 5 star, next time you print 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, 1 star. Okay, so this is the program. So in this program, first time you print 5 different stars, next time you print 4 different stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star. So this sum is a very important in a public examination. Okay, we want to print this, all the pattern sum is important. Okay, this type of the pattern sum is very important. Be prepared. In this program also using a looping. Okay, first you enter a variable. Okay, so it's a assignment, already you know this particular design printed this many times. Okay, for example, star printed in a 5 times, again dollar printed in a 5 times. The symbol is assigned. Okay, the string is assigned as it is assigned. Okay, first time string is equal to star. In a situation print 5 star, 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, 1 star. So in that purpose only we are using string is equal to single star. We entered it in a single quote or double quote, but better way we use it in a single quote. Okay, again first time we know 5 rows, next time how many columns? First time 5 columns, second time 4 columns, 3 columns, 2 columns, 1 columns. So okay, we know first time 5 star is printed on the screen, first 5, again 4, 3, 2, 1. The loop is executed higher to lower manner. Higher to lower, first time 5 columns, second time 4 columns, third time 3 columns, next time 2 columns, next final only 1 column is there. Okay, so already we know first 5 columns, you enter the value is I is equal to 5. Why we want to use 5? First time we use 5 columns. Suppose in our program, first time we want to print 10 stars printed in a single line. Okay, so that situation you use it in a I is equal to 10. Okay, in our program first we want to print it in a 5 star. So I is equal to 5. I is equal to 5 you start to print. Next one, this particular loop 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that it will be going on. So in that situation we are using greater than symbol. Again in this program we are using a decrement 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, again reduced 1, reduced 1, reduced 1. So like that in a reverse order it will be going on. So 5 value in a reverse order means reduce the value means now you check I value greater than or equal to 1. Okay, greater than or equal to 1, this condition is true. First time I value is 5, condition is true. Print the star. Okay, again the loop start to executed. Again and again and again. First 5 times it will be start to executed. This particular loop printed 5 stars. Again next time it will be start to execute. Okay, next time it will be start to execute. So in this place it will be start to execute. So first time how it will be printed in a 5 star. only one print statement. How this only one statement printed in a 5 star? So this loop is not executed 5 times. Already we know the star symbol. Repeat option in a string based. In a string base, we want print a particular terms in a repeatedly. Repeat option, okay. In already we know the string function. In that string function, star multiplication symbol used to repeated action. We want print repeated. How many times this particular string is printed? I value. First time I value is 5. String. What's the value of string? Star is the value of string. So this particular asterisk symbol is printed in a string. This string printed in a 5 times into 5. First time star, second time star, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars are printed in a single row. Again loop goes to this next place. One decrement. In this time I value is 4. Okay. In this situation I value is 4. The loop start executed. That star printed in a 4 times. Again decrement. The value is 3. Again the loop start executed. Repeat. Star value repeated 3 terms. Okay, good. Again one decrement. The value of I is 2. Again print. Star value is repeated 2 terms. Again one decrement 1. This loop print a star value printed in a repeated to 1 terms. Again the value of I is equal to 0. It's come to check. I value greater than 1? No. I value is equal to 1? No. The value of I value is 0. The loop stop to executed. Okay. Now we check. The loop start executed 5 terms. Okay. First time 5 star, second time 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, 1 star. First time str of repeat of I. First time I value is 5. So 5 stars. Repeatedly it will be printed 5 terms. Second time I minus 1. The I value is reduced. I value is decreased. I value is 4. A star value is printed in a repeated to 4 term. str repeated to 4 term. String third term 1 minus I value 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 repeated I value. String value. What is the value of string? String value is star. Star repeated to 3 terms. Automatically printed. One decrement. I value is 2. So in this time str repeat of I terms. I value is 2. Star is printed 2 terms. Next term I value is 1. Star repeat of 1 terms. So it will be printed. So that's all. So it's a easy sum. It's a important 3 mark question and compulsory question also. Some situation it's asked in a 2 mark or 3 mark. It's an important compulsory question. Write a program to print the pattern sums. You enter star. So this like we want to print. In case the program we want to print it in a reverse order means simple modification. In this program we change. Okay. In this program we change it to I value is 1. Again while I value less than or equal to 5, print as it is. In this place we use plus symbol. Automatically the loop is reversed. Okay. First single star, double star, triple star, 4 star, 5 star. Automatically this particular sum will be your little modification. Automatically it will be start to printed. Okay. So already we completed lesson 6 hands-on experience. In a part 1 we completed first part. In a part 2 we are completed remaining questions. So both the parts are very important. Now you check lesson 6 hands-on experience. Part 2 we completed 4, 5, 6, 7. Part 1 we completed 1, 2, 3 and then 8. Both the videos are very important in your public examination. Now you check. Now use it in a public examination. All the best. Thank you.